Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin with the live rate approach. Open your Google Sheet and confirm internet access. Once ready, in an adjacent column type equals Google Finance. Currency, USD, to fetch the rate, make sure the call returns a numeric cell. Then in the first target cell enter equals a 2 asterisk rate cell to compute rupees. You're starting computation immediately to avoid manual lookup, and this method updates automatically when Internet and Google Finance respond. Once done with one converted cell, apply it across the column. Drag the fill handle or use equals array formula. A2, a asterisk rate cell for a dynamic column. Make sure to format results as Indian rupees via format right arrow number right arrow currency and choose the INR symbol. This clarifies values at a glance. Also, wrap calculations with round, value 2 if you want 2 decimal places. These steps ensure consistent presentation. Automatic update. To finish, decide whether you need volatile live rates or a stable snapshot. Paste values to lock the converted INR or keep the Google Finance approach for live updates. Make sure to inspect for hash and slash or hash value errors. These often mean the rate failed to fetch or you lost connectivity. If that happens, reconnect, reauthorize Google services, or wrap your formula in IFR, formula, fallback, so your sheet shows a fallback value. This gives a clear, resilient final workbook.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.